Hello everyone and welcome to this video from Optimal Ninja. Today we're looking at intelligence trading, our completely automated intraday strategy for ES and MES. Now unless you've been living under a rock for the past couple of years, you're probably aware that there is something of a paradigm shift currently taking place in the world. I am of course referring to AI. Now whether you believe that AI is going to spell the end of the human race or not, in financial trading it is certainly bringing about a structural change beneath our feet. Manual trading with indicators is becoming progressively marginalized, whilst the big guns are deploying increasingly sophisticated automated strategies. Of course, algorithmic trading has been around for a while, but what we're seeing at the moment is, I believe, a step change in what is possible with automation, and the time to start leveraging that is now. So in this short video, I'm going to introduce our new flagship product, Intelligence Trading, and show you how you can bring this new tech to your NinjaTrader platform. Before I do, a quick mention that we've set up a dedicated website for intelligence trading at intelligence-trading.com, and there's a link in the description below. So if you're itching to see our strategy results so far, please head over to the website. For everyone else, back to the video. So how does intelligence trading work and what is its edge? Well, the key point to note is that intelligence trading generates buy and sell orders on our server and we send you those orders. It's this feature that separates our strategy from all other NinjaTrader strategies. So let's explain why the use of a dedicated server is a game changer. So with a conventional strategy running on your NinjaTrader platform, the buy and sell logic is limited to the information in your data feed. No matter how complex the algo, pretty much the only data it can use is price, volume, and the order book. This is what's known as an endogenous model. All the data that the logic uses originates internally, that is from within NinjaTrader. Now, we believe endogenous trading models are suboptimal because they are only capable of considering that narrow data set. Even with machine learning, you're still training the model only on price and volume. A much more powerful approach is to blend the strategy with an exogenous model, that is data external to NinjaTrader. By external data, I mean variables such as the news, both scheduled and unscheduled, social media and mainstream media sentiment, and other databases such as statistical or seasonality data. And it's that blended model that is at the heart of intelligence trading. So what are the advantages of our dual model? Well, firstly, it enables unified analysis. Because we've combined technicals, that's price and order flow, with fundamentals, that's sentiment and news, we can now opt to take trades only when the two are aligned. In theory, this should yield a better long-term expectancy than blind models which trade on technicals alone. Secondly, improved risk management. Because our strategy is capable of assessing both news flow speed and its potential impact, it can stand aside in high-risk environments. For instance, if there's a sudden deluge of high-impact news, such as tariffs or war, the strategy can suspend trading until the news flow eases in order to mitigate risk. Compare that to a standard automated strategy, which will continue to open trades all over the place and will probably be eaten alive in the process along with your capital. And thirdly, because intelligence trading is completely automated, you don't have to sit analyzing charts, you don't have to make decisions, and you don't have to click buttons. We do the heavy lifting at this end and you get the orders. It's that simple. Now I could go on and on about the tech, but why not just see for yourself? We've got a special offer running at the moment, so you can try out our strategy for a month on live markets and see how it performs for you with minimal risk. For more information, check out our website at intelligence-trading.com. My name is Richard. I hope you found this short video interesting, and all the best with your trading.